Alright, boys. So we just passed the eval. Holy shit. Alright. In 4 days, we passed the evals. 4 W's. Let me go through. Why the fuck did I take this trade? So first of all, we're coming off in the day extremely bullish. Am I expecting this data high to get taken out? 15-minute fair value gap above us. We're just extremely bullish. We're in an uptrend, higher highs, lower, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? So we come, market opens, higher high, higher low, right? Extremely bullish. That's what I'm looking for. We also hit this 30-minute fair value gap, and we end up sweeping 831 lows, which is a prominent low, right? Once we end up sweeping this low, we get an instant reaction. Instant reaction with SMTs all over the place. SMT with this 30-minute fair value gap, extremely bullish. Then directly get this 1-minute IFEG inside the 5-minute. Why did I take this one? Why did I take this 1-minute IFEG instead of taking the 5-minute IFEG? Why? Because it just made sense. It's just discretion, right? You guys know that with my model, technically, sometimes we go for the higher time frame in the leg. But bro, it was just extremely discretionary. Like, I saw this 1 minute get inversed. After, we don't want to go lower, right? We to the tick, we swept A30. We swept A30. We are in a 30-minute fair value gap with an SMT. We get this zone that gets inversed, aiming for New York AM high. Made absolute sense for me. Like, I knew that we were going there. It's just discretion. It's just understanding liquidity. Was insane trade. And one thing that I'm starting to understand now is that fuck the IFEGs. What you have to understand is the liquidity. The IFEGs are just an entry confluence. They don't mean shit. You have to understand liquidity. Clearly, we were bullish, but like extremely bullish. The reason I took this 5-minute, the 1-minute IFEG instead of the 5-minute IFEG is because we're extremely bullish. I just believed in my discretion. I did not want to see the 5-minute get inversed because I know it's gonna get inversed, and it got inversed anyways. So I was right on this option, right? So yeah, boys. Holy shit! 1 minute, like 1 minute and a couple seconds, full TP just past the eval. So this is the trade recap. We're now funded, boys. We're now fucking funded. We're now funded, dog. We're now funded. We lost my funded last week. We're funded again. Let's fucking go, bruv.